Hi friends. So in this video we are going to look at how to rotate the video which we accidentally recorded in a portrait mode. So here you can see I was recording a video for a recipe which my mom made, and instead of landscape mode it got recorded into portrait. Somehow the camera shifted and I want the video to be rotated, but I don't see any options here. So let us find out how to change the orientation of this video. So for that, I'm going to go to Windows 10 and video editor app. So if I open the video editor app here, and what I have to do is in the editor create a project and add the same video. So I have added the video. So let me place it in the storyboard, and if I hit play, so you can still see the video is in the portrait mode. So now there are different ways of rotating the video. Either I can right click on the video itself and hit rotate. So this I'll have to click many times to rotate the video, and just to find out if this goes correct, so this will be rotated. Or else you have this icon which rotates the video, and there is a shortcut which is Control R, that also rotates the video. So once you find the ideal orientation which you have, what you can do is you can go and finish this video 1080p, export it to any folder. I'm going to export it to my desktop as the rotated final video file, and once the export is done, then you will find out that the video will be rendered perfectly in the way you want. One advice I would like to give to all of you is that while recording the video itself, instead of placing the phone's camera in a particular mode like portrait and then starting the recording, what I would suggest is that initially set the phone's camera in the landscape mode, and then hit the record button. And if you are trying to pause the video in between, what I would advise is keep the phone in the same orientation where you want to record. I will repeat, keep the phone in the same orientation. If it may be a horizontal, keep it in a horizontal mode. If it's a landscape, keep it in landscape and then record. So once that is done, you will have your output here. It is being converted. So now it has finished exporting. So let me show you the video, the final rotated video here, and that looks pretty much clear the way we want, right? So comment out if you find this easy, like, and if you really like this and want me to bring the similar content, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. This is your friend Rohan signing off.